Hello everyone, and in this video I will analyze NordVPN versus Bitdefender VPN and talk about the overview, plans and pricing, speed, safety and privacy, server location, features, streaming, compatibilities and the conclusions. But first please subscribe to the channel. So without further ado, let's dive in. Overview. NordVPN boasts an expensive server infrastructure, encompassing over 5,800 servers spanning 60 countries. Its robust security measures and privacy feature, coupled with impressive speed facilitated by the Nord-Links protocols, set it apart. Operating from Panama, a jurisdiction favoring privacy, and adhering to an independently audited no-logs policy further solidifying its position. In contrast, Bitdefender VPN presents a more limited server network of 1,300 plus servers across 25 countries. Employing the Catapult Hydra protocol, though serviceable, may not be as conducive to maintaining anonymity. Notably, absent is concrete evidence supporting the audited nature of Bitdefender VPN's no-logs policy. Plans and pricing. While Bitdefender VPN emerges as the more budget-friendly option when considering pricing alone, it falls short in terms of features. The comparison between the two services reveals some commonalities in their pricing structures. Both offerings provide a 7-day free trial, but NordVPN trial is exclusive to the Google Play Store, whereas the Bitdefender VPN trial is widely accessible. Moreover, both services offer a 30-day money-back guarantee on their pricing plans. NordVPN boasts a trio of subscription plans: $12.99 per month for a monthly plan, $4.49 a month for a yearly plan, $2.99 per month for a 2 year plan. Typical in the VPN industry, the monthly plan incurs the full price, while the longer term plan enjoys discounts of up to 69%. The longest 2 year plan sweetens the deal with an additional 3 months for free. NordVPN goes the extra mile by providing a variety of payment options, including anonymous choices like cryptocurrencies. Furthermore, users can explore different NordVPN coupons to secure reduced VPN prices. On the other hand, Bitdefender VPN simplifies its pricing structure with two options: $6.99 per month for a monthly plan, $2.92 per month for an annual plan. The monthly plan remains affordable, while the annual subscription offers a 40% discount. However, Bitdefender VPN lags behind in payment options, limiting users to credit card, PayPal, and bank transfers. Speed. When it comes to speed, NordVPN outspaced Bitdefender VPN, establishing itself as the undisputed champion in this aspect. NordVPN not only outperformed Bitdefender VPN, but also stands as one of the swiftest VPNs available, largely credited to its exclusive Nord-Links protocol that delivers exceptional speeds. The extensive server network across numerous countries further contributed to NordVPN's triumph over Bitdefender VPN. Although Catapult Hydra ranks among the speediest VPN protocol in the industry, it falls significantly short of the velocity achieved by Nord's links. Additionally, Bitdefender VPN's more limited coverage and fewer servers compared to its counterpart result in comparatively sluggish speeds and overall performance. For those seeking the optimal VPN's purchase decision, it is advisable to assess the performance of leading providers using a VPN speed test. Safety and privacy. Once again, NordVPN secures its position as the victor in this category. While both providers furnish essential features such as AES 256 encryption, a key switch, DNS leak protection, split tunneling, and an LD malware blocker, NordVPN distinguishes itself by offering supplementary capabilities. These include IP and WebRTC leak protection across all devices, double VPN, and Smart Play. It's noteworthy that both NordVPN and Bitdefender VPN hail from privacy-friendly countries. NordVPN's headquarters is situated in Panama, a nation outside the jurisdiction of the 5, 9, or 14 ISAL lines. Similarly, Bitdefender VPN operates from Romania, a country not aligned with the previously mentioned alliance. Consequently, neither NordVPN or Bitdefender VPN bears the obligation to collect, store, or share user data with any government entity. Server locations. While the variation in the server fleets of these VPNs providers isn't monumental, a discernible distinction exists. NordVPN takes the lead with an expensive server network surpassing 5,800 servers across 60 plus countries, providing broader coverage. Conversely, Bitdefender VPN operates with a more modest fleet of 1,300 plus servers distributed across 25 countries. Adding to the differentiation, NordVPN employs RAM-only technology, a commendable feature for enhancing privacy and security. In contrast, Bitdefender VPN lacks any RAM server in its infrastructure. Consequently, once again, NordVPN emerged as the triumphant choice in this comparison. Features: Smart DNS serves as functionality Features: Smart DNS serves as a functionality enabling VPN usage on devices lacking native VPN applications. NordVPN excels in this aspect, offering comprehensive device compatibility and enhancing security through an additional encryption layer. Regrettably, Bitdefender VPN lacks Smart DNS, confining usage to apps with native Bitdefender VPN support. NordVPN's versatility extends to split tunneling, available on Windows, Android, and Android TV, allowing users to selectively apply the VPN to specific apps and sites. Bitdefender VPN also provides split tunneling on Windows, Android, and iOS. Both VPNs integrate RD and malware blockers, with NordVPN's slightly more robust implementation. NordVPN further elevates the user experience with specialized streaming servers, enhancing streaming quality and obfuscated servers for discrete VPNs use. Conversely, Bitdefender VPNs falls short, lacking specialized server or obfuscation capabilities. In the realm of features, NordVPN asserts dominance with unique offerings such as a double VPN multi-hop, routing connection through two VPN servers for heightened security. Dedicated IPs available for an extra fee provide an exclusive IP address. Additionally, NordVPN includes a SOCKS 5 proxy securing torrent clients and quasi-link real IP addresses without a VPN connection. In contrast, Bitdefender VPN emerges as a less feature-rich provider, with its notable feature being autoconnect. This functionality permits users to determine circumstances under which the VPN software should connect automatically, including P2P apps, unsecured Wi-Fi connections, and system startup. Clearly evident in the comparison, NordVPN prevails over Bitdefender VPN yet again, boasting a richer array of features. Streaming. NordVPN stands out as the premier streaming VPN, effortlessly granting access to all major streaming services, including Netflix US, Amazon Prime Video, Hulu, and more. The key to its successful unblocking lies in the smart pulley feature, utilizing DNS technology to bypass restriction effectively. Conversely, Bitdefender VPNs fall short, limited to unblocking Netflix US and a few of its libraries. It disappointingly fails to provide access to BBC iPlayer and various other platforms with the exception of YouTube TV. Another triumph in favor of NordVPN lies in its superior ability to unblock a broader array of streaming platforms compared to Bitdefender VPN. Compatibility. Device compatibility proves to be a weak point for Bitdefender VPN, with a limited range of apps designed solely for Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android. The absence of support for alternative platforms or option for manual configuration raises concerns, rendering the 10 device connection limit seemingly unnecessary unless shared among multiple users. In contrast, NordVPN sets the benchmark for a comprehensive VPN service. It not only offers dedicated apps for major platforms, including Linux, but also extends support to Android TV and Amazon Fire TV sticks. Furthermore, browser extensions cater to Chrome and Firefox users. Most notably, NordVPN facilitates manual configuration on routers, providing the flexibility to extend its benefit to virtually any device. This approach allows users to surpass the standard 6 device connection limitation, as a device connected through a NordVPN configured router still counts as a single connection. Conclusion: which is the better? After meticulous testing and a comprehensive examination of both VPNs, a definitive victor emerged: NordVPN. It demonstrated superiority over Bitdefender VPN across almost all categories, with the exception being pricing and customer supports. NordVPN not only met but exceeded expectation, solidifying its position as one of the premier VPNs available. Should budget constraints be a primary concern, Bitdefender VPN remains a viable choice. However, for all other scenarios, the undisputed choice is NordVPN, the reigning king in the realm of VPNs. While Bitdefender VPN and NordVPN share commendable feature, NordVPN stands among the elite, while Bitdefender VPN occupies a lower tier. And there we have it. If you find this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.